Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Yes, and Amal Malaysia and Malaysian owner. This is from number 5 water hand pump. Alhamdulillah, we provide from those house. I will visit you. I will show you. You can see the relation of that house. It is very backward area. Very difficult for living that many cow and many animal for needs drink water, because last time he going very far to fill water from drinking, from living. इधर आ जाओ। अब आ जाओ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम खुश खैर। और ये नल से बाबा ये आपको पानी की जरूरत थी यहाँ पे? नहीं, पानी की जरूरत है। लास्ट टाइम he going to very far to fill water. You see in this house not any water activity, no have water line, not anything, because in village area just only using water hand pumps. So Alhamdulillah, we provide this water hand pump from Malaysian donor and yes, and Amal Malaysia. Very thankfully to you for support this program. Alhamdulillah, this is your Sadaqah Jariyah. Alhamdulillah, this work is start. ये निकालो भाई. The work is start. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, the work is start. Inshallah, just only 2 and 3 days I will complete this water tubal. Inshallah, the water hand pump from donor, Malaysian donor, name dua, and also pray for yes and Amal Malaysia. Thank you very much for supporting from this kind of Sadaqah Jariyah. May Allah bless you in this world and also after, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. अब ये करो सब ये मत निकालना